at you? That can't be the same person I'm thinking about then. That gotta be another.
John. His name's like John.
Kola?
Yeah.
He called yelling at you?
It said, where's my purse, bro? My ticket. Get your ass in the house. Go inside. I'm already in the car with all these children frustrated. And I said, it said they was like 5 minutes away, 6 minutes away, then currently arriving. So he called, I say, hey, I'm right here by the Mercy. He say, oh, I'm about 20, 25 minutes away. I said, the thing just said, y'all, in this same tone, the thing just said y'all was arriving soon, about to pull up. Oh, man, I got other fucking people. I was helping somebody else. You not my only customer. I said, you can cancel that order. I don't need you to come to check that. I don't feel safe right now.
He said that, he told you that. Wow, okay.
On Blunt Road, I know value boys that transport cars for us. And they got all types of shit. I've been so frustrated since I got here. I know value boys from transporting cars for us at the auction, but I don't know if it's the same value boys.
No, it's not the same one. Just push all that forward. Yeah, just push all that forward.
I said I'm gonna show. I put his number in Cash App so I could see who the hell he was. But he pissed me off.
He called. I can't believe.
I was helping somebody else. But why is telling me you arriving? Which I ain't say all this to him. I just hung up in his face. But why is saying you arriving? I'm tracking you.
But I mean,
you not my only customer. I was helping somebody else. I say, oh, you can cancel that. You ain't gotta come here. I'll drive this tire home.
Yeah.
And I called State Farm and told him, I said, I'm driving my tire home.
Oh, baby, you don't know. Damn.
I got a tire in my garage. This is the second flat this week.
This week?
But I'm going to take it to Walmart. Walmart got a warranty on it, so.
Yeah, man. All right, it's going to get you where you need to go.
Walmart right there.
It's going to get you where you need to go. We good. Give me the wheel lock. Yeah, I can't believe he did that to you, though, man. That's crazy.
I was looking for him on Facebook and everything. He pissed me off.
His name, that's the name, John Kola.
Yeah.
On Facebook, his name is John Kola. Yeah. He just. I know him, and I know him. So I mean, but I don't know what. I ain't dealt with him in years, so I mean, I don't know, but I mean, like that's. The cursing part is, I mean, regardless of whether you're agitated or not, there's no excuse for that.
Like I'm in the car with a 4-year-old or 11-year-old, they hollering, I'm hungry in Walmart parking lot, they trying to go in Walmart. I'm just like, dang, they just say y'all was around the corner. Baby, he went off. I say, I'll drive this car home.
Yeah, well, I get it, you know, shit. I ain't gonna deal with nobody either. I mean, shit, to me, customer service is everything. You don't have good customer service, I don't want to deal with you at all, period. I just can't believe he was cussing you, though. That's... I'm not gonna say I can't believe it. I just don't... I don't know why he took it that far. That's...
I guess he was frustrated too, but...
Yeah, but why? I'm not... Even if I'm frustrated, I'm not frustrated with you. I'll be frustrated with the operator. The customer I'm going to see, I don't have an issue with you unless I'm calling you and you don't answer.
Oh, well, see, I answered. I was waiting.
All right, let's see. She said, you know, by you boys. Yeah, I know. Unfortunately.
Knock the fuck out. I told the operator, who is he talking to? Like, he would have came out there and been changing that tire, got his head jumped on. You don't call nobody like that.
Right. I agree with you. I mean, like, nah, I'm not going to. Like I said, if I had an issue, it wouldn't be with you. It would be with the, a lot of times it's the insurance provider, roadside assistance.
Oh, I see that bitch. Oh, I'm going to ask around at that auction bars. People know him. He got me messed up. Ooh, he pissed me off, boy.
Yeah, he must have really pissed you off.
I was already pissed off at the children going crazy in the car. I'm like, it is not the same value for us as the transport company.
It's not.
White.
Yeah, it's not. I'm telling you, it's not. I know him.
We deal with them a lot. The value transport company.
Yeah, I know him.
You got the right
He got the right
one.
one.
But the wrong game. I was just knocked clean out. Hello.
John F.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I could have put that $50 money.
No, it's who's got you, one word. WHOS GOT. Okay. HOS GOT and the letter U. It should be the first one top.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sending sacrifice. I can send it to my baby.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Open your trunk, or you want to put the tire under the okay. I'm gonna put, where you want to put it? All right.
I don't know where I put my damn purse.
You lost the purse that fast? You didn't leave it in the car, huh?
Huh?
You didn't put it in the car? Look, it's on the seat.
Oh, Lord. Look, put it in the trunk for me. When you move it to the AR, it's going to be so like
Y'all have a good one.